Welcome back to MPV Auto. The Volkswagen Polo was initially introduced as a compact vehicle that provided affordable mobility and a straightforward and functional design. Since that time, the Polo has undergone 6 incarnations and has sold more than 20 million units globally. Volkswagen discontinued Polo production in Europe in 2024 as part of its strategy to transition to electric vehicles. Although this rumor is merely a figment of the imagination, it is hoped that it will serve as a source of inspiration in the future. Volkswagen intends to implement substantial modifications to the Polo in 2025, regardless of this. It is anticipated that these modifications will incorporate mild hybrid technology in order to adhere to the more stringent Euro 7 emission standards. Volkswagen's dedication to maintaining the Polo's relevance in a market that is becoming more concerned with sustainability and efficiency is underscored by this action. Additionally, Volkswagen intends to overhaul its entire electric vehicle lineup by 2026, which will include the introduction of the ID.2 All model, which was initially designed to replace the Polo. The Polo will, however, continue to be a component of Volkswagen's product lineup until the end of the decade, particularly in markets outside of Europe, even with this delay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.